Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create a GoCardless account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type GoCardless.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the home page. For now, you simply need to sign up. The button is right here on the top right. Now what you need to do is simply enter your email address. Right here is my email, and I'm gonna click on get started. Now simply enter your name, last name, everything. And now that everything is done, if we scroll down, we will find something like this I agree button. Click on it and then let's click on get started. Now a verification email has been sent to the registered email address. Now let's go to the registered email. Right here is the email. Now let's verify our account. As you can see, our email has been successfully verified. Now let's simply click on next. You can select anyone from among these, it's completely up to you. Again, click on next, follow the prompts. Now enter all these details as per required, and let's again click on continue. Now again, let's click on continue. You can edit it if you wish. Let's choose the business category. And everything's done. Let's click on continue once again. Enter the rest of the information right here. Again, click on continue. Now you simply need to enter your details right here and click on continue once again. Now you can add your bank account right here, and for now I'm simply gonna cancel it. And guys, like that, that's how you set up your GoCardless account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.